Remove prefix is a string method in Python that removes the prefix provided in the method or does nothing if the prefix is not found. You have a string that's www.water.com. The first thing to know is how remove prefix differs from lstrip, which you're probably already familiar with. If you just call remove prefix with w and put that result back into s, it will not be equal to .water.com. Remove prefix only removes the w passed in, not every occurrence of w at the start of the string. Another thing to be aware of is doing something like calling remove prefix with an argument of w dot. In lstrip land, that would return water.com because it removes every occurrence of w and dot that occurs at the start of the string. Remove prefix works with the argument you pass in as is, though. Since w and then a dot never occur side by side in the string, remove prefix just returns back the same full string without changing a thing. Here's just a regular example. You start out with the string crayon and remove the prefix cr. This ends up returning aeon, proving once and for all that the crayon people are wrong. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to learn some more Python string methods, you can click into the playlist on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao.